have said I have a pay bill. I have a pay bill, my friends, and it is there. My people who are able to my people who are able to contact this live, please put my pay bill there on the comment section so that people can see it, and I will thank God for that. Even my number, put it there. Put it there. I am not ashamed to say I need help. I need help. I need help. Okay, Nafter is saying was going through. Yeah. Which media company are you currently employed? Just asking. I'm not working with any media company. I'm not working with any media company. And Wangoi saying, Ulitoka Inoro TV. Yes, I did. Actually, 2 years to this month. 2 years this month. Yes. There is my pay bill and that is my number. Feel free. Feel free to give me whatever amount you want. May God bless you. It is not mandatory, by the way. It is not. I'm just telling you, I am not afraid to ask for help. Actually, that is what my friend, a very good friend of mine who actually tells me, you know, one of the ways to be feminine is actually to accept help. Masculine energy is what makes you not, you know. Thank you, Lenny. You have said you have understood. Thank you. Hey, imagine if you're driving a car and then it starts showing check engine. You start sweating. I don't know about you, but for me, I start sweating because I'm thinking if the engine is cooked, yeah, I'm done. If your engine of a car, like that one that I am struggling to get back, if it is cooked, there's no need of even getting that engine. There's no need of getting that car. Now, same thing to this. Give me your number again. 07. For those people who are not in Kenya, because I know I'm not in Kenya. Not everybody who is watching me from Kenya. Let me write it in a +254. +254 799 201 222. Okay. 0799 201 222. Yeah. +254. I'm in Kenya. So I want us to pray. And I want to pray for everyone who is going through a hard time. I want to pray for you who is feeling like you are at the end. I want to pray for you who is feeling that shame is getting the better part of you and you do not know who to talk to and where to go. I am here to tell you that it's not as big as it seems. I keep repeating that. That Goliath is disabled. If you're not, you know, what else? What else? What is the third thing? The third thing is I am still accepting help. I am still accepting help from you because we need to get this car back. You know, it is in Mombasa. And by faith, I think I will go to Mombasa. By faith, knowing that something will work out, I will go to Mombasa because I know it will work. And I think I will drive it back. Yeah, just to thank. Speak Kikuyu for 1 minute. Hey, my God. Okay. Aya, time me 1 minute. Time me 1 minute. Drauga terere. Togekura twatindaga tukirwa terere. Oh my God. I have seen somebody who have sent me money. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mona. Thank you. Nana modeta Richard Adomira Besha. Thank you. May God bless you, Richard. So I was saying, no, ya pesha iratu magene. Gware yeko yo. Togekora twera gwatiriri. Ate, kaotare doni. No, you tarutaga maitho agekoma. You don't have shame. And that thing is negative, actually. Because you should not have shame. Please don't have shame. It's not a good thing. Shame is not a good thing to have. You should not be prideful saying, imagine. Who can stand and say that? So please, ishi don't need a vera wogiere. Itire value. Shige kado, woe Jesu, othie warerie modo. Omo irekire oragerera. Todo modo shonu woteithia. Adone oido. People are things, no. That translated so badly. That translated so badly. But